So you've clicked on this video because you're wondering, is it possible to earn an extra source of income with the help of Canva? I would say the answer to that is yes, because I've been able to do it. Now, of course, this video should not be taken as financial advice because there's no guarantees. Treat it as a form of education, but I'm going to go through all of the different steps that I wish I knew from the very beginning when it comes to capitalizing from a website like Canva. I'm sure if you're able to stick through it from start to finish, you're definitely going to learn something that's going to put you on the right path when it comes to potentially giving you the opportunity of being able to earn the extra income online. Now let's jump straight into one of the first steps that you're going to need to take, which is to decide on what type of product you want to sell with the help of Canva. And the way that you can do that is by using this Canva Digital Product Planner. The way that this works is that it's going to take you through 5 different questions, and at the end of those 5 questions, it's going to give you a customized, tailored business plan for you to follow. So let's go through this together. One of the first things is, what do you want to create using Canva? Now I'm going to say in this example that I want to make an ebook. Click on next. What niche are you most interested in? It's very important that when you're selecting a niche, you pick something that you've got knowledge in, you're passionate about, and you've got experience in as well. So the one that I'm going to pick for today's example is going to be fitness and wellness. Question 3 is, how do you plan to promote your product? I'm going to say that I plan to promote it using short form videos. From there, how do you want to sell your digital product? I'm going to say that I want to sell it via a digital product website. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with this detailed prompt that you're going to be able to copy just like this. And then you can go over to something like ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, DeepSeek. The choice is really up to you, but you're just going to paste all of it in there just like that and then click on enter. And as you can see, ChatGPT has already started producing the step-by-step side hustle plan for me to follow with all of the details based on the selections that I made in the quiz that I just showed you. So what I'm going to do now is show you how I would use Canva when it comes to being able to make and sell a digital product. In this case, it's going to be an ebook. So if we just go down over here, one of the first things that I need to do is set up my sales page using Hostinger's AI website builder. This is where I'm going to sell my digital products that are going to be made with Canva. So you're going to be able to access it if you want to by going directly to the link that you're going to be able to find within the planner that you completed. There's going to be a link at the bottom. Once you've clicked that, it's going to take you over to this page, and you're then going to be able to click on claim deal. You've got the option of either premium website builder or business website builder. The one that you're going to go with is this one right here, mainly because of all of the different features, the AI tools, the e-commerce feature as well. You're not going to have to pay any transaction fees or anything like that when it comes to selling your digital product. So what I'm going to do now is just click on choose plan. And what I tend to do when it comes to building these different websites is select the largest or the highest period possible, because this is the one that you're going to be able to get the biggest discount. Of course, it's completely up to you which one you pick. So just select whichever one. From there, you're just going to click on coupon code. Then what you want to do is just enter this coupon code that you can see on the screen, because it's going to give you an additional 10% off in addition to all of the discounts that you've already got. But once you've created your account, it should then take you over to this AI website builder, where all you got to do is enter the brand name and a short description. And when it comes to being able to find the brand name or the description, you could just go back over to ChatGPT and it should give you this information. So as you can see over here in the side hustle plan, I'm going to be able to pick any one of these different options. Now the one that I'm going to pick, just as an example, is going to be this one over here, Mind Body Fit. So I'm just going to paste it in here just like this. Then what I'm going to do is just go back over to the side hustle plan and get the description just like that. And I should be able to paste it in there. Make sure that the online store is selected as well, because this is what is going to help you when it comes to being able to receive payments for the digital product that you're going to be selling. And all I got to do now is just click on create a website. And there we go. The website has now been built within a few seconds or so. Now there's going to be some changes and some work that you're going to have to do to this, and I'm just going to walk you through how that can be done. So I'm just going to go back over to the editor. Now I don't really like this image on the homepage because it doesn't really relate to fitness and working out. So I'm just going to change this by selecting it just like that and then click on edit image. going to be able to replace the image, come over here to free images. And if I just want to type in fitness just like this, there should be some copyright free options that I can choose from. So the one that I'm going to pick is this one over here. Let's just select it and add that to the home page. Okay, that looks quite decent. Everything else about the website seems to be okay. There's going to be some subtle changes that you need to make, e.g. the placeholder text. As you can see, the telephone number, email address, you're going to have to update all of this, but we're going to come back to this in a moment. Let's move on to the steps that goes into actually building the digital product. Now, one of the first things that you can do is just go over to Canva just like this. And since I'm going to be making an ebook, I'm just going to use Canva when it comes to making the ebook cover. So I'm just going to select it just like that. Then what I'm going to do is type in the keyword of the niche that I'm focused on, which in this case is fitness. So I'm just going to type it in there just like that. I'm going to use this one over here. This one looks quite decent. Again, guys, all of this is an example just to quickly show you how things works when it comes to being able to get a Canva side hustle up and running. So this is going to be the ebook cover that I'm going to use as an example today. The good thing about Canva is that it will give you the basic structure of it, and it's now going to be down to you to update all of the information. So if I just go back over to the side hustle plan on ChatGPT, I'm just going to first and foremost update the domain of my website on the ebook. So I'm just going to paste it right here. I'm also going to update the name of the ebook as well. Within the plan, it should give me all of these different options when it comes to these different ebooks that I can make. Of course, you can make all of them if you want. You could just focus on one and put all of your energy into that. But I'm just going to pick a random one. Let's pick this one over here, post workout recovery ebook. So I'm just going to change the name of it like that. I'm going to make the text a bit smaller, and I'm just going to leave it as it is because it looks okay. And all of these other placeholder text over here, it's not really needed, so I'm just going to remove it. But I'm sure you guys get the point as to how Canva can help you when it comes to making an ebook cover. So for now, I'm just going to download this to my MacBook. We're going to come back to Canva in a moment, but let's move on to what goes into actually making an ebook using AI and how you can pair the ebook to the ebook cover with the help of Hostinger. So the way that you can make an ebook is to use this app over here called Gamma. You can get started for completely free. It doesn't cost a penny when it comes to using it. So I'm going to leave it in the resources down below. Once you're on this page, all you got to do is just click on start for free. The next page that it's going to take you to is something that looks like this. And the way that this works is that it's going to be able to make an ebook as well as some other type of digital products using AI. So you're going to click on generate. And then what you're going to do when it comes to making an ebook specifically is just click on document. Make sure that E4 is selected because it even tells you right there that this option is good when it comes to making ebooks. With the selection over here where it says cards, basically what this is the different chapters that's going to go into the book. Now, I would recommend that you make it as detailed as possible, depending on the niche, depending on how much information you want in it. So you may want to select 20 or 50 cards. It does take a few minutes for it to complete the ebook. Doesn't take too long, maybe 5-10 minutes max, depending on how many cards you select. But because I don't want this video to be too long, what I'm going to do is just select 5 chapters for now. And in terms of how it's going to know what type of ebook you want it to make, you just need to put the information about the ebook in this box over here. So what I'm going to do is just go back over to the side hustle plan in ChatGPT, and I'm just going to copy this description just like that and then go back over to Gamma, and then I'm going to paste it in there just like this and then click on generate outline. And as you can see, it's already come back with each chapter that's going to go into the book. I would recommend that you put your own chapters that you want in it. If you've got a certain style that you want your ebook to have, a certain tone, this is where you're going to be able to change it. But again, this is all an example, so this looks good enough for me. So what I'm going to do is just come down here and select the theme. Since the color of this ebook cover is black and green, I'm just going to go over to Gamma and see if they've got one that has at least black, green and white in it. So I'm just going to select this one right here. This one seems pretty decent. I'm going to make sure that it's detailed and it uses AI images, and then I'm just going to click on generate. Okay guys, so if you're a returning viewer of my channel, you already know how Gamma works. It's gone straight to work to start planning out and writing the ebook in full. As you guys can see, it's putting the graphics automatically, it's putting all of the text, it's making sure that everything is formatted as it should. You know, this is truly amazing because when it comes to writing ebooks, it can get really tiring, especially if you're someone that doesn't really like to write. So this is definitely a shortcut when it comes to being able to get an AI ebook made literally within maybe 5 minutes or so. But one thing that I always tell you guys on this channel is to not rely on the information that it puts. That's why it's very important for you to pick a topic centered around something that you've got knowledge in. Because yes, we can use AI tools like this when it comes to helping us, but we should also be ready to go through all of the information, because you don't want to sell something that's going to give someone misinformation or mislead them in any way, shape or form. So spend maybe 1 day, 2 days reading through it, making changes. You know, Gamma's going to let you move anything around, change anything, all of these different graphics, everything is customizable. But if I just export this to PDF just so that I can give you guys a better look as to how the finished product is going to be like, I'm just going to export it just like this. As you can see, it's already started doing it and it should be in my downloads already. And here we go, guys. This is the ebook that it was able to make. You know, this is the way that it's going to look to the end user. You know, everything once again is structured, optimized and formatted in the right way with all of the necessary information for the customer. But now that I've got my ebook cover and I've also got the actual ebook itself, the way that I'm going to be able to make it available for people to buy on my website is to simply go back over here just like this and then click on Manage Store. Then I'm going to click on Add a Product. And of course, we're working with a digital product, so I'm going to select this one. And the reason why Canva is really helpful is, of course, number one, we're going to be able to get the ebook cover that people are going to see before they make a purchase. But in addition to that, it's going to help us when it comes to actually listing it for sale in terms of hosting or being able to pull all of the information. So if I just click on this one that says Fast and Easy, I'm just going to upload the ebook cover, and Canva has already been able to get the title of the ebook, the subtitle, the description. And all I need to do now is price it at whatever price point that I want. So if I want to price it at $29.99, I can do that. This is where you're going to upload the ebook that you got from Gamma. Right here, you can see customers will receive an email with a link to download your files. And I'd say for the most part, that's all you really need to do. So I'm just going to click on save and give you guys a better look as to how it looks on the site. I'm just going to come back over to the hosting.ai built site, click on shop. And right here, as you can see, this is the product page for the ebook that we was able to make. So imagine it, guys, you're going to be able to go through that over and over again and list as many ebooks or any type of digital product on your AI built website that you want with the help of Canva and also Gamma as well. And you're probably wondering, but Sam, how exactly am I going to be able to get people to be aware of this website? Well, that's another way that Canva is going to be able to help you, because there's a way that you can actually use it when it comes to bulk producing 10, 20, 50, 100 different Instagram reels, TikTok videos, YouTube shorts, all at the same time. And I'm just going to quickly walk you through that and show you how that works. So with this one, what you got to do is just type in reel, just like that, and then click on this one. And you're going to simply type in the theme of the site that you just built. So of course, in this case, it's going to be fitness. And as you guys can see, there's all of these different reel templates that you can choose from. You know, there's hundreds and thousands of different ones. I'm just going to click on this one and show you how all of this works. So as you can see, there's a video that's going to be in the background and there's going to be text. And the way that Canva's bulk feature works is that you can essentially make multiple different reels and change the text for each one on each different reel. And to do this, what you got to do is come over here on the left hand side to apps and just type in the word bulk, then click on bulk create. And you're going to click on enter data manually. And as you guessed it, the way that you're going to be able to get that data is by going over to the side hustle plan on ChatGPT. You're just going to copy all of the different reel ideas just like this. And all you got to do is just paste all of them in there and then click on done. And now you just need to map the text to the data that you just done. So I'm just going to map it just like this. And then I'm just going to click on continue. And there you go, guys. Just like that, I've now got 15 different reels with 15 different quotes that I'm going to be able to post on multiple different short form platforms. Now, of course, you want to change the background now and then and, do this over and over again for different templates, different text. But this is a great way for you to build up a theme page around your niche for you to ultimately drive that traffic to the digital product that you was able to make. Now, in this video, I just wanted to give you guys some different strategies that I've been using when it comes to how I've been able to earn an extra income with Canva. Of course, there's some other ways out there and there's some more things that goes into this side hustle. But if you wanted me to make a more detailed video on this one or just generally on any Canva side hustle, just put in the comments down below, do the Canva side hustle video with your location and I'll get onto it ASAP. But if you've enjoyed this video, you've learned anything from it, you've gotten any sort of value, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago where I break down some other strategies, some other things that goes into being able to start a side hustle using the power of AI, you're going to be able to watch that by clicking the link right there. Check that out straight after this because it's already been able to help out so many people. And I'm sure if you're able to watch it from A to Z, it can also potentially help you out as well. But other than that, guys, I'll catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.